Okay, here we go. 10.6 stem and leaf, part 1. Okay, if I put this here, this would help represent this data. There's the data there. We've been given this data, maybe it's test scores in a very weak class, obviously. We've done stem and leaf in the junior cert before. Forget this 6 and this 2. That was done. Basically, I did this out before and I have to do it again. This is the 5th time I've taken this video. So, I get all this, I reorder it. Pretty simple. Anybody can do that, it's just about being careful. I put it in here. Well, I got 1 0. So 0 0. These for all single digits. 0 1, 0 2. Okay? 4, 6, 6, 7, 8. That's 1 2 is 12. 1 4 is 14. 1 4 all the way on. I was saying if you had a 6 D2, you would go 4, 5, 62, and then you can see it's an outlier from that. So it's represented in graph formation that you can see that. Key thing here is the key. You got 2 line 3, and that's 23 CDs. This is question 2 in the book, the 10.6 that I'm doing here. Okay, now I'm saying if you had other data that you needed to represent, so we can compare it. Let's say I've got something that's got 1, 2, 23, 24, 25. You do it in order as well, all the way up. I can see straight off this graph. I can see straight anyway, but this is better. You can see that it's kind of bundled up and around the middle. This is bundled up at the bottom. Yep. Then, next, if I want to find any information on this, I'd go median or mean. If I want to get the mean, I add all of them up and divide by 24. If I want to get the median, 24 plus 1 over 2, that's 12.5. The 12th and the 13th, that's 15 plus 17 over 2 is 16. Interquartile range, same formula. 24 plus 1, 25 over 4, 6.25. The 6th and the 7th. That works out 6.5. Not because it's 6 and 7, it's the 6 and the 7th. If we go here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's the 7th. Just fluke. Q3, it's 8.25, 18th and 19th, and that's 21 and 23, which is 22. So interquartile range, 22 minus 6.5, 15.5. Easy. The mode, most common, 6, 14, 18, and 21. That's a shocking 21. All turn up twice. If I want to get P60 here, yeah, 60 over 100 by 24, 14.4. You always round up on the P percentiles. That's 15. If it was 14, you get the 14th and the 15th. That's the 15th. So it would be, if you're 60th percentile in class, you would have got 18. Yep, easy enough. Now, beyond that, there's actually not a whole lot of work that I can give you on it. All I can say to you is you would go to page 400. The back to back are just ways for you to compare. And it's question 1 to 10. But I don't want to waste all your time on all that. I want you to do 40 minutes of good, solid work on that and put it into Microsoft Teams so I can see who's doing the work, who's not. If you've got a specific question that you need done, you can put it into the chat function and I'll get you a solution back.